Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Nakash Ahmed and I hope you're all fine and enjoying good health and spirit. This video today is about idioms and idiomatic phrases, especially related to weather and some adjectives describing weather. Weather is snowy, stormy, sunny or shiny. So I'm going to give you some new words in order to describe weather. But first of all, let me tell you what is the definition of idiom. An idiomatic phrase is an expression peculiar to a language and not explainable through rules of logic or grammar. If I tell you in simple words, an idiom is actually a phrase. Phrase means it is combination of two words or more than two words, and that combination of two words or more than two words gives some expression that is particularly related to that language which make that idiom. And you cannot explain that idiom by just looking at the words of idiom. You cannot explain that idiom literally, and you cannot apply any logic or any grammar in explaining that idiom, in understanding that idiom. It gives just an expression that is particularly related to that language. So for example, if I give you some example, a dark horse. A dark horse means a person who has some secret potential, who has some hidden ability that is not known, that is not expected by other people. This is the meaning of this idiom. It does not mean a dark horse. It does not mean a horse that is standing in the dark or a horse that has some dark color. So this is different meaning. It gives some different expression. So I'm going to tell you 5 idioms on weather or related to weather. Idiom number 1 is to rain on someone's parade. It means to spoil someone's plan about future or anything. This example shall make you clear about it. I don't want to rain on your parade, but we have to cancel our trip to Murray. That person want to say, I don't want to actually destroy or disturb your future plans, but we have to cancel our trip to Murray. Idiom number 2 is to save for a rainy day. It means to save something for future until it is needed. This example shall make you more clear about the meaning. I'm working extra hours to save some money for a rainy day. Idiom number 3 is to steal someone's thunder. It means when someone takes attention away from someone. This example will give you complete meaning of it. I worked all day to complete the project, but Ahmed stole the thunder by pretending to boast that he did all project alone. Idiom number 4 is to chase rainbows. Definitely you cannot chase rainbows. It means to pursue something impossible or impracticable. Pursue means to run after, to follow something. So this look at this example. I know you want to become prime minister, but it is very difficult task. Don't chase rainbows. Some other example. I know you want to make triple century in this innings, but don't chase rainbows. It means it is impracticable task. It is very difficult task, and that person does not have that potential to do it. Idiom number 5 is a very interesting one. Raining cats and dogs. It means to rain very heavily. It does not mean that some cats and dogs are actually falling from the sky on you. It means when it is raining very heavily, when it is raining very strongly. So we use this idiom. Example, it is raining cats and dogs out there. It means it is raining very heavily outside or out there. Now students, I'm going to tell you some words to describe weather. everyday weather is different, so you need some adjective or words to describe weather. First of all, look at this line. It gives a word related to rain. Gentle rain, drizzle. Drizzle also means a gentle rain. Hail, rain shower. Rain showers mean very heavy rain. A raindrop, very little rain. Rainstorm, when it is raining heavily. Thunderstorm, thundercloud, a clap of thunder, and thunderbolt or lightning. These words describe condition of weather. We use these words to describe weather. Weather is good, great, it is great weather. It is nice weather, fine, the weather is lovely, beautiful, wonderful, excellent, fair, the weather is quite fair. It means it is not going to rain. Mild means average. Pleasant means it is neither hot nor cold. If weather is very bad, we say it is bad weather, it is awful weather, terrible, nasty, lousy, unpleasant weather, gloomy weather, or ugly weather. When you do not like the weather, you make use of these words. If you can also say sunny. When the sun is out there and it is shining, you say it is sunny weather. Warm, cool, chilly, cold. When it is more than cool and you feel difficult, you feel freezing, you say it is cold weather. You can also freezing, icy, frosty, bitter. When it is very cold, you say it is bitter weather, and again the word is cold. Some other words: rainy, humid, dry, foggy, windy. When wind is blowing, you say it is windy weather. Stormy, when there is storm. Calm, when there is no movement, when the air is calm. Still. Hazy, in hazy weather you cannot see clearly. Misty, hazy and foggy means same. Smoggy, dewy, when dew is falling and there is much dew on ground, you say it is dewy. Thick, fog. So these were some words to describe weather or condition of weather. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you have learned some new words to talk about weather in idiomatic phrases, and I hope you learn some new vocabulary to describe weather or condition around you. So please like this video, subscribe and share, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz.